Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to continue to set up Debian system for work and testing. In previous video, I did set up Debian, and you can check that video in the top right corner of the screen. Today video will be setting up some basic apps and setting up some base functionality and the look of the system. This video is more just aesthetical setup, and in the next one I will start setting up development environment for a project. So the main goal is to make the system like this one. I already did everything on this one, Debian sandbox that I made in previous video. It's already done. So I installed some basic apps, set up graphics and like that. So now I want to replicate that same one on this one. That is gonna be my production system where I'm gonna work. So let's just shut down this one. And we're gonna start with this one. So this is the look that was other one, same look like this. Let's just enter the system. As you can see, first of all, there is nothing. You cannot edit even desktop. Even screen size cannot be adjusted, nothing, because the system is completely minimal. As you can see, there is only dolphin and emoji selector and console that I previously downloaded and installed. The goal of this video, as I said, is to set up system like other one, to make it fully functional and ready for installing Python and setting up environments for working. So let's just start replicating what I did on other one. I will just enter sudo and enter password. Some of the things that I needed to install is system settings, control panel for screens, fonts, appearance, display configuration, power management, system monitor, etc. So let's just start one by one. We're gonna start with apt install, and then I will write what I want to install. This is some of the basic ones, like I said, system setting, to control panel for screens, fonts, appearance. Okay, screen is gonna display configuration tool for managing resolution, monitors. Power devil is power management, sleep, brightness, lead actions, etc. And plasma system monitor is a task manager and system performance tool. So let's just install it with yes. Okay. Type wrong. Let's just like this then. Did not write properly, so sorry. Let's fix that. And now we're gonna install everything, all those packages. Great. Okay, let's continue. Next one, what I did installing some KDE applications that are very useful desktop tools for my work, and I'm gonna use it. I'm using all those tools. So let's start installing. Same apt install, and let's go one by one. Tick. Okay, this is some of the apps and tools that I will install, like Kig, Laplot, Venweave, WinWeave, Ocular, Krita. So let's just install them. For all these apps and tools that I'm installing now and setting up, you can check my website and I will put all the links there. So you can check all of that, what I'm installing. And you can follow up if you are setting up your own system. Okay, that's done. Let's continue with installing what we need. I'm gonna install VLC. As you can see, now we have some applications installed. Let's like this, put them favorites, what I'm mostly using. This web browser I installed just for meantime. I will install Firefox instead of it. Some of the apps. Okay, let's set up a little bit. Display configuration. As you saw at the beginning, we didn't have this one. So now we can change. Just a second, we're gonna restart and continue after restarting this. That's great. Now it's working everything. Let's change to something. To this one. I like this one. It's really nice looking. And now we are left just to set up the Firefox. Okay, we set up Firefox, so let's restart the system again one more time. And then we're gonna continue setting up Firefox. Okay, Firefox is set up. base stuff is set up. The system is functioning. Change display configuration, this desktop wallpaper. So from everything, how we started, we end up with some apps that will help going further into setup the system. It's just a basic apps. Okay, that's it. We got Debian up and running inside our virtual machines. They are set up. Desktops are set up. Some basic apps. And in the next video, we'll make things a step further and set up our Python and Linux development environment. I will installing essential tools, configuring terminal and getting everything ready for coding. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next part and some other videos on this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. All the best. Bye bye.